Hey everyone, I hope you all are good. This weekend was very hectic as we went out for a trip. It was my daughter's birthday. Well, it's a part. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you a very innovative idea of renovating an old lamp. This lamp was quite waste and my mother was expecting to throw it away, but I thought of renovating it. And they can be kept as a memory of old time. So this is the lamp which we will renovate. First we will paint it white with acrylic color, and this center part will be colored with blue. So first let's complete this coloring part. So this is how it will look like. I have taken Turkish blue color over here. You can take any other color if you like that, but white and this color combination is quite unique. And this part we will color golden and cover it completely, and do not leave any area. Do it very carefully also. So this is how it will look like when it will get dry. And now we will use the stencil and make the remaining part. Put this stencil in this way, and then we will put plaster of Paris mixed with glue and apply it carefully. You can apply it with a brush plus with any other utensil if you have. I'm using my finger on it and doing it very carefully. After applying, remove this stencil very carefully, and now see, this is the final touch of this beautiful lamp. Now we have made these clay balls and we are arranging them one after the other, and this is how we will complete the base of this lamp. So you see, this is how it will look when you will give the final touch. And now we will cover this white area. We will put glue on it, and then we have taken organza cloth, and after taking this organza cloth we will cut the flower part and we will apply glue and put this flower part on this. You do it very carefully and stick it properly with the help of glue. First, these balls will be painted golden. Take golden metallic color and paint all the balls. Take care of the sides and cover every area from the bottom up to top. So now our lamp is ready. This is the final touch of this lamp and how beautiful it is looking like. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.